Hey guys, Sharlrita Deloatch here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where you'll find some all the tips and tricks and tutorials on all things writing and publishing. And on today's video, we're gonna do some show and tell with Book Blaster. Book Blaster is an AI tool for authors, and I want to show you guys some behind the scenes. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit that bell so you will be the first to know when I upload a new video all about writing and publishing. Now, I'm going to share my experience and knowledge that's going to help you to take your writing to the next level on my channel. So whether you're a beginner or whether you're going to the next level or you may be an experienced author, I promise you're going to find something very, very helpful on my video. So make sure you grab your notebook and pen and let's get started. So if you have viewed any of my videos about Book Blaster, the last video I shared maybe about a week ago, I'm giving you some inside scoops on Book Blaster, some updates that they are having. Well, we have two new updates and I want to try them out with you guys tonight. So that means I have not tried these. So you're going to go through this just like me. If you have not heard about Book Blaster is an AI tool for authors. I love it because it really helps you to market your book. You can get book mock-ups. We're going to be playing with landing pages tonight, book trailers. You get a promo pack, email. It's a lot, and they are steadily growing. So shout out to Cameron and the team for creating this amazing AI tool. So let's get into it. So here is Book Blaster. This is what the screen looks like. Okay. Now they just launched the way we can have some book trailers. So I'm gonna go through this with you guys and create a book trailer. Okay, let's do this. Now let's go here where it says generate new. Now, if you haven't signed up with Book Blaster, you can sign up with the link that I have in the description. I also have a promo code, so you can get 70% off of the price. Right now, we have the lifetime and we also have the yearly. Okay, so grab either one that works for you, but use my code to get 70% off. Okay, so let's create a trailer. All right, so author name, I'm going to use myself as a guinea pig. For those of you that don't know, I am writing 12 books in 12 months. So each month I am launching a book. And I may be launching two in February because my first book is still in editing and we're getting ready to go into February. But it's okay. I'm still going to write 12 books and I'm super excited about it. This is going to definitely use my books to grow my publishing company. I'm going to use these books for gifts for my clients. Just so many ways that you can use a book. All right, so my first book is called Power Publishing Secrets. That's going to be the name of all of my books, the title. I'm just going to change the subtitle. My first book is 7 Powerful Ways to Market Your Book to Bestseller Status. Okay, let's put that in here and let's go next. All right, book summary in one sentence. Let's see, powerful marketing tool for authors. Book summary in a second. Let's see. Market your book to bestseller. Another summary is power. Let's see, publishing secrets. Let's see. I'm gonna put that in. Another one is publish your book like a genius. Let's say that. No, let's say market. Oh, clicked on something wrong. We don't want to get in that. Let me. Okay. Market your book to the 2 millions. Let's say that. All right. Next. All right. Let's upload the cover. So let me get the cover and I'll be right back. All right. So let's see. I got the front cover For some reason, I couldn't find my back cover, but what we're going to do is we're going to continue on. All right. Let's say I'm going to just make both of them the same. Okay. All right. Front cover, back cover, and let's hit next. Review, featured book review. Let's see. This book was the best marketing tool to help me go to bestseller. All right, let's put a name here. We're gonna manifest this. Let's call her Janice. Let's say Janice is it. Okay, next. Do you want to upload the background video or URL? Let's do a solid color. All right, so the color picker is over here. I'm just gonna pick a color, y'all. I'm gonna pick this red. We checking this out. Do you want to upload the music file or okay? So it looks like you. Let's do rap. All right, let's generate. Let's see what we come up with. Okay. So we know you're gonna have to have your front and back cover. A review would be nice. So if you had someone to review your book, that would be nice as well. Um, This form was sent successfully. So I'll probably get an email. Let me know that it's ready. So I'll be right back. All right. So while we wait, we at the moment, I think I waited about maybe 2 or 3 minutes. So we're gonna wait for the book trailer. While we do that, let's play around with the landing page. Okay. So we're gonna go up here to create a new landing page. I love this. So we have you're going to put your book title there, author's full name. I had a book description. Let me go back to books before I do that because I have my book description and I have it in here and I want to get it from there. So let me go to my promo packs because I already did an example on this and I don't want to try to recreate it again. All right, so here's the landing page copy, add copy, email. We had that's a let's just use the add copy for now, just so we can. Let me pull up another. Oh, I have two of them up. Okay, so let's go over here to landing pages. And then we're going to create a new landing page. So we got the name. You're going to put the name of your book, your full name, book description, bio, Sharlrita. Let me go to my publishing website and then I'll pull up. I just copy and paste my bio from there. All right, since I'm up there already, let's just copy and paste, right? So we don't have to do all of that typing. So you're gonna need your bio. You're gonna need if you have a headshot, be great. I have one right there on my computer already. We're gonna get the front cover, which we have that already. The purchase book link. Remember, always get get a link for your book. All right. Don't just send people any kind of link. Get your URL for your book. Let's go ahead and generate this landing page. Let's see what we come up with, and then we're going to come back to see if the trailer is done. All right, so it looks like we got to wait for this one too. So we will wait. Maybe they'll come in at the same time, and I'll be back. All right. All right, so I got the landing page. Let's click on that. We haven't got the book trailer yet, but I'm counting to see, that those things take time. Oh gosh, I love this. I love this right here. So you can use this for any uh landing page platform that you use. I love this. I love this. I love this. You can edit it here. Oh wow, I love this. Wow, this is amazing. Now, you know it's this is good because you can use this for, if you use, like, I use lead pages for all of my landing pages, so you can use this. I love this. So you can put a book review here, 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 about the author, where for you got to have them to buy. So I absolutely love this. So I can make any updates that I want to that down there. I love how this turned out. So let's see about the book trailer. All right, guys, I got the book trailer. So I tried to time it. So give it about a good 5 minutes, no more than 10 minutes, and you will get an email. So I did get an email, and you will also see it here in your dashboard under book trailers. I haven't looked at it, so let's take a look. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. So think about if I when I get my back cover, completed my spine. I love this. So please note that all trailers expire 7 days after being rendered. So hit these little buttons down here and make sure that you download it to your computer and put it in a safe spot. So I love it, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and us trying out the new features in Book Blast. I hope that you take a look at Book Blaster. I said Book Blast, but Book Blaster. Click the link in my description and get 70% off by using my code, and it's in the description. Okay, enjoy, and let's continue to make magic with our books. I'll talk to you guys next time.